Hundreds of supporters for same-sex marriage erupted in cheers outside the Supreme Court when justices struck down a key part of the Defense of Marriage Act. The 5-4 ruling means the federal government must now give the same benefits to same-sex couples. 83-year-old Edie Windsor challenged DOMA after she was forced to pay taxes on her partner's estate.
I cried. I cried.
Guam Alternative Lifestyle Association's executive director Tim De La Cruz applauds the recent ruling and decision that not only struck down DOMA but restored marriage equality in California. De La Cruz saying, quote, "The court's ruling pushes the struggle for relationship equality forward and maintains our shared and cherished values of equality and equal protection for all under the law, regardless of who you are and who you love." Same-sex marriage is now legal in 12 states and the District of Columbia. Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz, who previously introduced legislation to allow same-sex civil unions on Guam, says he's happy with the ruling, as all federal employees on Guam and all soldiers and sailors here will be able to get the same benefits for their significant others and partners as other military personnel. But Cruz says the application on Guam will be interesting, as those who marry in places where it is legal may come to the territory and file a joint return.
All federal regulations now have to be provided to all people. So if you have a gay lover, you guys can get a Gora housing together, you can get WIC together, you can get whatever, Social Security together.
Derek Baza Hills, who is an advocate of same-sex civil unions, says the SCOTUS decision allows the community on Guam to be more educated about the rights and benefits of same-sex couples.
And here in Guam, again, I'm hopeful. With the legislature, with the undecided and those who have decided to not support marriage for same-sex couples, I think it's more now of a matter of are we pushing to a more perfect union for our island? Are we moving our island in the right direction?
Vice Speaker Cruz, meanwhile, says he isn't rushing to reintroduce same-sex civil unions legislation, as he believes history has made it clear that doing so would be an act in futility.
In an ideal world, I would, except that I can count, and I know that I don't have 8 senators that would vote with me, and more importantly, I don't think that I have 10 that would override the veto, which I'm sure the governor would veto the bill, even if it's passed.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.